young Portal Master. The dragons, most ancient and wondrous, need your help. Go with the Dragon Knight Flavius to the island of Skylos. Help him free his king from the clutches of the undead dragon Vathic and restore him to the throne. Quickly, sound the horn, and Flavius will carry you into the skies and off to the Dragon's Peak.
Phew, that's a long flight, but I'd fly across the universe to help my king. My name is Flavius, and I serve the great King Ramses, the greatest leader Dragon's Peak has ever known. He ruled these lands for centuries, and while he did, everything was great. Peace, harmony, you name it. Until one horrible day when I convinced King Ramses to go flying with me. All I wanted to do was take him out. You know, let him stretch his wings. But when I did, that's when he came. King Ramses' horrible brother, Vathic. Oh, he is evil. A horrible dragon who always wanted to be king himself. And while Ramses was gone, Vathic sat on the dragon's throne. You see, that's where all the power is. He who sits on the dragon's throne becomes ruler of all Dragon's Peak. It's just the way things work. And with the power of the dragon's throne, Vathic is now our king and has cursed poor Ramses. And it's all my fault. Oh, brave Skylander, won't you help us? Be careful over here, my friend. I'm sure that evil Vathic's got some sneaky tricks up his sleeve.
Oh, goodness. You've awoken me from an evil spell, great Skylander. Thank you. Flavius brought you here, didn't he? I should have known. He may not be the brightest fire burning, but he's very loyal. My villainous brother Vathic has seized the Dragon Throne and all the power in Dragon's Peak. But perhaps you can stop him? I don't have much to give you in return, great Skylander, but I promise you would have my eternal gratitude. I'm afraid Vathek's curse has made me far too weak to fly. But Flavius can take you where you need to go. Use the dragon horn to call him. But beware. My brother Vathek will have his evil minions and treacherous traps waiting for you. Go forth, brave Skylander. I must rest for now.
I sure never get sick of this! Uh-oh! Air mine coming up! Take that, you dumb! Mine! Woohoo! Yeah, take that, you dumb! Yeah, mine! Take that! Woohoo!
Skylanders. Skylanders of the air element are stronger in this zone. The Dragon King Ramses has his throne atop a giant rock spike known as Dragon's Peak. This place is special to dragons, because whichever one of them controls its very top becomes the new king. Some fear that Vathek, an undead dragon and the king's evil brother, may one day try to steal the throne.
Gets old. Uh-oh. Air mine coming Skylanders. Vathek won't stand a chance against us. Another air mine ahead. Nice try, Vathek. Nice shooting. We showed that mine a thing or two. Whoa! I sure never get sick of this! Whoa! Woohoo! us clear of these rocks, brave Skylander. Whoa! This is gonna be a bumpy ride. Ugh. I sure never get sick of this. Ugh. Yeah! Woohoo! I sure never get sick of this. Oh, I can fly like this for days. In fact, I often do. Whoa! Woohoo! Yeah! Woohoo!
Skylanders of the Earth.
Wally gang!
Element are stronger in this zone.
Look out for the rocks! Isn't flying the only way to, fly? Look out for the rocks! Steer us clear of these rocks, brave Skylander.
Skylanders of the fire element.
I ignite to fire.
Are stronger in this zone.
That old fool Ramses sent you, did he? You've come to take the dragon throne from me, have you? Well, it's mine. Do you hear me? Stay away. These minions are loyal to the throne. They will punish you for your treachery.
Skylanders of the magic.
Fired up.
Are stronger in this zone.
Those minions are such weaklings, but you can't keep defeating them forever. A few more should do the job. Curses! I'll summon all the minions. You can't possibly beat all of them. are worthless. I'll do it myself.
Ha! I've taken the throne, Vathic, and as you know by dragon law, that means you no longer rule Dragon's Peak. You are completely powerless.
Oh no! I can't believe I fell for the oldest trick in the book.
Now you'll pay for betraying Ramses.
Ah, so good to be home again. Well done, Flavius. Now, sadly, what to do with my own brother? I suppose I will have to banish him.
I don't know. He makes a pretty good statue.
Perhaps you're right. But I am curious. You could have kept the throne for yourself, and yet you did not. Why?
Because, great Ramses, there is only one true king of Dragon's Peak, and it is you. The throne will be yours until the day you decide you are done with it.
Well, when I do, loyal Flavius, I know exactly who will take my place. And of course, I must thank our Skylander friend most of all. Without your bravery and heroism, none of this would have been possible. Flavius will fly you back to the ruins. Farewell, friend.